Welcome to our deep dive into the employee experiences at the Cheesecake Factory. In this video, we'll explore what it's really like to work at this popular dining establishment, known not just for its extensive menu, but also for its unique workplace culture. We'll share first-hand insights from current and former employees, giving you a behind-the-scenes look at their day-to-day experiences, challenges, and triumphs. Are you curious about the camaraderie among staff, the training process, or how management supports their teams? We'll cover all of that and more, providing a well-rounded perspective on what it means to be part of the Cheesecake Factory family. Our goal is to engage you with authentic stories and testimonials that highlight both the perks and the realities of working in such a bustling environment. Whether you're considering a job there or simply interested in workplace dynamics, this video promises to be informative and eye-opening. So, grab a slice of your favorite cheesecake and settle in as we uncover the real thoughts and feelings of Cheesecake Factory employees. You won't want to miss these insights that could change your perception of this iconic restaurant chain. Work environment. When it comes to the work environment at the Cheesecake Factory, employees often describe it as vibrant and fast-paced. The atmosphere is lively, filled with the sounds of clinking dishes and cheerful conversations, creating an energetic backdrop for both staff and guests. Many employees appreciate the restaurant's commitment to fostering a positive culture, where teamwork is not just encouraged, but essential. Staff interactions are typically characterized by camaraderie and collaboration. Employees often share that they feel like part of a close-knit family, working together to ensure that every guest has a memorable dining experience. This sense of unity helps to alleviate some of the stress that comes with the busy restaurant environment. However, it's important to note that the fast-paced nature of the job can lead to high stress levels, especially during peak hours. Fortunately, many employees report that management is supportive and approachable, providing guidance and assistance when needed. This support can make a significant difference in how staff handle the pressures of the job. Overall, the Cheesecake Factory strives to create a work environment that balances the excitement of a bustling restaurant with a strong sense of community and support among its employees. Training and development. At the Cheesecake Factory, the training and development process is designed to set employees up for success from day one. The onboarding process is thorough, ensuring that new hires feel welcomed and well prepared for their roles. Employees often describe their initial training experiences as comprehensive, covering everything from menu knowledge to customer service skills. This foundational training helps staff feel confident as they step into the fast-paced restaurant environment. Beyond the initial training, the Cheesecake Factory offers numerous opportunities for career advancement. Many employees appreciate the clear pathways for growth within the company, whether they aspire to move into management or specialize in areas like culinary arts or hospitality. The company encourages employees to pursue their interests and provides resources to help them achieve their career goals. Feedback from employees regarding the effectiveness of training programs is generally positive. Many feel that the hands-on approach and ongoing support from management contribute to their professional development. Employees often highlight the value of mentorship and continuous learning opportunities, which help them refine their skills and advance their careers. Overall, the Cheesecake Factory's commitment to training and development plays a crucial role in fostering a motivated and skilled workforce. Employee benefits. The Cheesecake Factory offers a range of benefits and perks designed to support the well-being of its employees. Health benefits are a significant part of the package, with options that include medical, dental, and vision coverage. Employees appreciate having access to these essential services, which contribute to their overall health and peace of mind. In addition to health benefits, employees enjoy generous discounts on food and beverages, making it easier to indulge in their favorite menu items during breaks or after shifts. Other perks include flexible scheduling, paid time off, and opportunities for bonuses, which enhance the overall employee experience. When compared to industry standards, many employees feel that the Cheesecake Factory's benefits are competitive, especially for a restaurant chain. This commitment to employee welfare sets the company apart in a sector often criticized for limited benefits. Employee testimonials frequently highlight the value of these benefits. Many staff members express gratitude for the health coverage and discounts, noting that they significantly improve their quality of life. One employee shared, "The benefits here make me feel valued and cared for, which motivates me to give my best every day." Overall, the Cheesecake Factory's employee benefits play a crucial role in attracting and retaining talent within the organization. Challenges faced. Working at the Cheesecake Factory can be rewarding, but employees also encounter several challenges that can impact their experience. One of the most common issues is the high-pressure situations that arise during peak hours. Employees often describe the frantic pace of service during busy dinner shifts, where the demand for quick and efficient service can lead to stress and fatigue. Many staff members find themselves juggling multiple tables and orders, which can be overwhelming at times. Another significant concern is work-life balance. With the restaurant's extended hours and unpredictable schedules, employees sometimes struggle to find time for personal commitments and relaxation. This can lead to burnout, especially for those who work long shifts or multiple days in a row. Employee stories often illustrate these challenges vividly. One server shared, "During Friday nights, it feels like a whirlwind. I love the energy, but it can be exhausting, and I often find myself missing family events." Another employee mentioned, "I love my job, but sometimes I wish I had more predictable hours to spend time with friends." These experiences highlight the realities of working in a bustling restaurant environment, where the excitement of the job comes with its own set of challenges that employees must navigate. Employee satisfaction. Overall, employee satisfaction at the Cheesecake Factory tends to be relatively high, with various surveys indicating that a significant percentage of staff members feel happy in their roles. Recent statistics show that around 75% of employees report being satisfied with their jobs, citing a positive work environment and supportive management as key factors contributing to their happiness. Several elements play a crucial role in fostering job satisfaction among employees. The strong sense of teamwork and camaraderie, along with opportunities for growth and development, are often highlighted as major contributors. Employees appreciate the training programs and the potential for career advancement, which help them feel valued and invested in their roles. Personal anecdotes further illustrate the positive morale within the company. One employee shared, "I love coming to work because my team feels like family. We support each other, and that makes even the busiest shifts enjoyable." Another staff member noted, "The management genuinely cares about our well-being, which makes a huge difference in how I feel about my job." These experiences reflect a workplace culture that prioritizes employee satisfaction, ultimately leading to a motivated and engaged workforce at the Cheesecake Factory. Conclusion. In summary, our exploration of employee experiences at the Cheesecake Factory has revealed a multifaceted work culture that combines both challenges and rewards. Key takeaways include the vibrant atmosphere that fosters teamwork and camaraderie, the comprehensive training programs that support career growth, and the competitive benefits that contribute to overall job satisfaction. However, it's also important to acknowledge the high-pressure situations during peak hours and the ongoing struggle for work-life balance that many employees face. As you reflect on the insights shared by employees, consider how these experiences shape the overall workplace environment at the Cheesecake Factory. Understanding both the positives and the challenges can provide valuable context for anyone considering a career in the restaurant industry, or simply interested in workplace dynamics. If you found this video informative and engaging, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends or anyone who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable information about workplace cultures and employee experiences across various industries. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.